As I promised, we'd be back to discuss the boost and the rest mode. We are now going to commit to starting a boost mode. And just as a refresher, let's look at the values of what the changes would be. 1 minute and 20 seconds in the morning, subtracted in the morning, and 2 minutes and 40 seconds extended at night. So let's see what it looks like when we start the boost mode. We're going to pretend we're going to start a breathing session. It's off right now, so we're going to commit to turning it on with the use of the up arrow. Enter. It tells you that we're starting the boost mode. All we need to do is set the start time for the first sunrise, and we're going to commit to go with the right arrow. And let's start our first session at 7:47. That's always one of my favorite planes. 7:47. Sunrise delay 1 minute and 20 seconds. Sunset delay 2 minutes and 40 seconds. We are on day 0 of 60 days. Sunlight today is at 10 hours. And what we're going to do now, we're going to show you what happens when we go through a midnight routine. So here's tomorrow. We're on day 1. Sunrise changed to 7:45. Sunset changed to 5:49. 10 hours and 4 minutes of daylight. Let's go through another midnight. We're on day 2. And again, now we have 10 hours and 8 minutes of daylight. One more time. And we're on day 3. We're going to cheat at this time. We are going to show you what it looks like when we reach the 60-day mark. The system will change to manual mode. So in order to do that, we're going to fake the system, and we're going to tell them that we are on day 59 of the 60 days by using the adjust the number of days. Okay, here we are. We're on day 3, and our maximum days is 60, so let's bring it up to a nice high value. Takes a while to get there. We don't want to go too fast. And let's go to about 50, let's go to 59 days. And let's go back to the main menu. And as you can see, we're on day 59 of 60 days. We're going to go through a midnight transition one more time. If it wishes to cooperate. We are now on day 60, and you notice we are still in automatic boost mode, in a timed boost mode. Okay, one more midnight. And we are now in manual mode control. Sunrise and sunset will continue to be at the same time each and every single day until you make a change. Don't pay attention to the sunlight total because we did not go through the actual transitions. We fooled the system, so we're not at the 14 hours that we set in the system. We only accelerated it 3 times. We are now going to cover the rest mode. Select it. You're starting the delayed sunrise and advanced sunset mode. The system is off, or the mode is off. We're going to commit to turning it on. And the system wants to know the first sunrise start time. And here we're going to be already in a coming out of a boost session, so sunrise will probably be somewhere around 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. So let's start at 6 o'clock in the morning. We're going to delay sunrise 2 minutes and 13 seconds every day, and we're going to shorten sunset by 4 minutes and 26 seconds every day. So here's the system. We are in a time rest mode, day 0 of 36 days. We have a total of 14 hours of daylight at this time, and our goal is to get down to 10 hours. We don't have that much time to do it in, but let's go through a midnight simulation. As you can see, sunrise is now at 6:03. Sunset is at 7:56. Let's go through another midnight. And as you can see, sunrise and sunset are changing. The days are getting shorter. We're down to 13 hours and 47 minutes. And let's attempt to do this one more time. And as you can see, the days just keep getting shorter. Again, the same scenario. We're going to go to our cheat mode and pretend that we are on day 35. And you can see that at the end of the 36 days. Here we are. We're going to adjust the elapsed number of days. We're on day 3. And the number of days we had was 36, so let's bring it up to about 35. Enter. Go back to show that we're on day 35 of 36 days. Now let's see what happens once we go through the next midnight transition. We're on day 36 of 36 days. So our rest period is ended. We would have been, at this time, we would have been at the 10 hours, obviously, if we had gone through the 36 days. So let's do one more day at midnight. And this time, the system will switch to manual mode control. Sunrise will be fixed at whatever time it was. Sunset will be fixed at whatever time it was. And we would have a total of 10 hours of daylight, because that's what we set the system for. At this time, we're going to show the difference when we commit and change to fixed sunrise mode. So we have selected a fixed start time for sunrise. We're going to turn it on. And at this time, we're going to simulate only the boost mode, because the rest mode value is the same, except that now we're going to show you what the boost mode values will look like. Now, as you can see, sunrise is fixed and the delay is only added at sunset. 4 minutes will be added at sunset each and every day. So let's do a simulated start boost mode and show you what that menu looks like. It tells you that sunrise is fixed. We're going to commit to starting the mode. And we're going to go ahead. And let's start sunrise at 6:30. Sunrise delayed 0. Sunset delay 4 minutes. So sunrise will be and remain fixed for the duration of the 60 days. The only change will be at sunset. So we're going to go through a midnight transition. And again, sunset changed. We're at 10 hours and 4 minutes, but sunrise remained the same. One more day. Again, sunrise fixed, changes in the sunset, 10 hours and 8 minutes.